Hello. Advanced Python programming. Advanced Python programming for image processing application. In last video we talked about the accelerator and adding multi-threads inside your program for OpenCV. In this lesson we talked about Python profiling. Profiling is to show bottleneck of your program, of your function or line of code that take a lot of CPU or memory usage, and you can use profiling and benchmarking to find where is the problem, which line or function has this issue, and how you can fix it. We have several different libraries for this. One of the first simple built-in function is cProfile. By helping cProfile, you can profiling and benchmarking your project, find out where inside your code has a problem. cProfiling is using for function level profiling and is inside the Python standard library. You don't install any extra library, you're using third-party library for it, and is measured time and call count and also some other measurement for your program. How you can use it? Just import cProfile and then also pstats, and then inside your code you can wrap your running function is a cProfile run, and it will analyze your program. As an example, I write a very simple short function for Fibonacci sequence, and we want to test it. All code and document is available in my GitHub repo. You can go and download all the source code here. So we import the cProfile and pstats. Then we define the function, for example Fibonacci, and here our function Fibonacci. Now we define the main function, and for example put it 20 here, and now in order to use cProfile you need to run the program inside cProfile in order to get all this information. So in this case we need to run in this way: profiler cProfile.Profile and profiler.enable main and profiler.disable. Then we write out the status and print the status. Okay, our function ready, and here we can run it. As you can see here, maybe better to 40, maybe take more time. As you can see, this thing is run. The result is this one, and 21,000 times call the function. And here you can see the timing for function main, for Fibonacci, for printout, and other stuff will be showing here. And based on this, for example, I can see the Fibonacci take 0.003 second to run the program. Here, maybe should start with lower. Okay, a little bit better. So you can see this function process, and you can see how many times it's called. So you can see the bottleneck of your program, for example, in this function, and you need to improve it. Later on, I will discuss about using Python 3.14 without limitation of the multi-threading, also using multi-threading programming, also using cache in order to